Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Telegram channel comments feature. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Telegram channel. Simply go ahead and open your application and head into your channel. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and click or tap on the top of your Telegram channel, which is going to be the name, which is going to take you to the channel setting. Now, inside of your channel setting, what you want to do is simply go ahead and choose or create a group comment or where comments will be shown. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on more and then create discussion. You can simply click on add a group here as well. Simply go ahead and click on create a group. Then you can simply go ahead and add a discussion group wherever you want. And that is about it. Now comments are going to be enabled for your channel post. Then you can simply tap on the comment button to open the discussion. Also, you can customize how comments work for your channel. You can allow comments if you want to, sign messages, slow mode if you want to, and who can send comments. You can also choose that. Once you do that, you can also go ahead and pin important comments in the group, and you can also use admin tools to keep discussion clean and safe. So you can delete message, restrict users, ban users, slow mode, and many, many more. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.